Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to change PayPal name. First of all you have to do is open your PayPal account and sign in with your account on your web browser. And after that, all you have to do is click on the gear icon or the settings icon on the top right corner. From here, you will see an option called change name. You have to click on change name. From here, you can change your PayPal name, but if you want to change your username, for example, that's my profile link of my PayPal. If you want to change that, all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Contact Us. Click on it. From here, you will see a blue icon, How can I help? Click on that blue bubble. A pop-up window will appear and it is PayPal AI Assistant. You can tell the assistant that I want to change my username. It will give me an instructions, but you keep asking questions to the assistant and ask her that I want to talk to your representative. Once the AI assistant connects you to the assistant of the PayPal, you can kindly ask him to change username and they will process your request and change your username. And that's how to change PayPal name. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe.